Alright, it's cable management time. Let's do it. First, I got these cable management clips. They stick on top of my desk, so I'm going to be using these. And I got these command strips, which I don't know what I'm going to use for them, but I'll probably find something. Alright, we need to get to work on this. Gosh dang. Alright, I just got my extension cord up there, so now I just need to manage the cables. Okay. Bro, I don't even know what I'm doing, bro. Oh, alright. Can I get this off or no? Yeah, dang, bro. I just got done setting all of them up, and that's a really big difference in my setup. So, but yeah.